Y'all, this is crazy. You hear me? This, I can't believe this. $60. This, y'all gotta get this. This is all, man. Look, listen, look. I sat down, I hooked it up, and I got kicked. Look, it's just amazing to me the quality of sound you can get through such a, y'all, this will fit in your pocket. Like you get this. What else do you need? Literally, y'all, I've spent hundreds of dollars chasing good quality sound, right? I've got an iRig. I've got so many different products. I've got mixers and so many things. And I'm a little bit disappointed because of the money I've wasted when I could have just had the Synido. What is y'all doing? Y'all finna mess everything. I can't believe this.
All right. So this is it right here, y'all. I got this product. This a Synido Live Dock A20. This a audio adapter. And y'all, this right here is gonna be for anybody that uses a phone to do their content. Oh, look at my little happy family. They use a little phone to do their content right here. This is gonna be an audio interface that's gonna attach to your phone. So this is for all my musicians, producers, content creators, podcasters. Listen, and this also works with laptops and tablets, PC. You can get the an adapter for your iPhone. If you got one of the new iPhones, it's gonna work. But yeah, man, so this is a must-have, especially in today's time if you are a content creator. Let me get something to get this open with. When in doubt, pull the pick out. Okay, boom, bam. So we're gonna open this up. Oh yeah. Let's see what's in it. This is, I like it. It's compact. And y'all, what I'm thinking, this is gonna replace your iRig. I mean, this is gonna be an audio interface, man. This is gonna help out with so much. You know, sometimes, especially you recording live, sometimes the audio quality ain't as good as it actually sounds. Like folks don't know, because you know you got the room matters. So many different things matter. I think this gonna solve your problems right here. And there's some things that this one has over like the iRig or something. I mean, if you TikTok and YouTube and Facebook and oh, look here. Oh my goodness. Look at there, y'all. Look at this. I like this very simple, very slick boxing. What we got in here? This is it right here, y'all. This is neat, y'all. This neat. It's light. It's not heavy. It's compact. You could put this in your pocket. I mean, literally, put it in there good. All right, and so we can pull this out right here. And this is gonna be the area, the part that connects to my phone. This does something. We'll have to see what this does. But this scroller does something. We're gonna read the instructions, so I better know. It looks like we got a little switch right here. We got mono or stereo. Of course, you need that if you're playing. Go on keyboard, you're gonna want it on stereo. Guitar, you're gonna want it on mono. Depending on your instrument. I'm guessing this BT right here is Bluetooth. Oh man, so this thing got Bluetooth even hooked up to it. My goodness, loopback. Whoo, let's find out. Looks like we got an input for a quarter inch. We got a quarter-inch input we can put in there. Of course, I got this adapter. You always gonna need one of them adapters, folks. If y'all ain't got one of them adapters, y'all need one of them. Anybody hop in the comments, you know what I'm talking about. And it also looks like we got the charger port right here. You can charge it. So I could be charging whatever, because here's the thing, you know, you using and recording and everything, your phone be getting hot, it be using energy, and it look like here, oh, we in the game now. We in the game now. It is official. We in the game now. This thing on. Let's see. We're gonna read this instruction manual. And we're gonna find out how good this thing sound. We're gonna find out how good this sound. Look like we got a microphone input, or this is, and it might not just be limited to a microphone. It look like we can monitor it. If you look, excuse me, if you look, we can monitor right here. So I can plug my headphones into this jack. We're gonna learn today. I can plug my headphones into this jack. I can plug my microphone or any audio input that uses a 3.5 millimeter, and then of course I can use my 1/4 inch here. Y'all, this everything you need. It comes and hold on. It come with an adapter. Ooh, these thing right here like gold, man. All my musicians know what I'm talking about. And it come with the iPhone adapter. I thought you was gonna have to buy that separate. They got you in the game. You are in the game with this. You are in the game with this. It come with this is TRRS audio jack. As you see, it's got the three I don't know. Well, yeah, you see, it's got the 3 lines. That means it's gonna play audio, it's gonna listen to audio, and it's gonna create audio. So we got action on both ends right there, man. This is awesome. This is neat. It's so convenient, y'all. Oh, what's this? No, they ain't give me no little sticker. What's this? Oh, this inspection qualified. All right, y'all. All right. It look nice. It look nice. It feels slick. It's very light, very compact. Y'all ready? Let's see how it works. Okay. All right, family. So I got this hooked up, right? I got this hooked up. And a lot of times, here's a big telltale sign. A lot of times you get these products and you have like a lot of feedback, a lot of buzzing, a lot of static noise and everything like that. So that's always gonna be my first telltale. I just real quick, all right, right now I'm on my audio interface, okay, the one I normally use, but I could definitely get away with using this one. I just wanted to show y'all real quick how I have this hooked up, okay? That way y'all fully understand how this works. So I'm not going straight into the guitar. Now I can, all right, but I don't want to play dry guitar, and I don't have an extra cord right now to run from my my pedal board into here, and I want my effects. I don't want just dry sound. Now a dry sound will work, but and it'll work for you, all right. If you're just hooking up straight guitar, that's fine. But I want a little effects on it, so I'm gonna use I'm actually gonna come from my audio interface. But look, so this cord right here is going into my audio processor, okay? It's going in there, and then I'm gonna hook this to my phone. What I'm hearing right now is coming from this, and it's crazy because I can adjust the sound, the volume. I can adjust the microphone volume, so the monitoring volume, I can adjust it. Man, this is great. This is great. I can't believe this is $60, y'all. This is great. Y'all gotta get this. Hold on. All right, so now what I'm finna do, I'm finna hook this up to my phone. All right, so the quality of the video might change a little bit, but I'm hoping the audio quality don't change at all, okay? Y'all stick with me. This is fun, okay? This is fun. So let's check this out. Man, y'all, let's check this out. I'm finna hook up, and we're gonna see if this, we're gonna see what this Synido, we finna see. This is the Live Dock A20, man. This is great. Hold on. Look, y'all, stay tuned. Here we go. Oh, y'all, I was playing. Don't that sound clear? Ooh. Ooh. Again. Ooh. I get carried away sometimes. Ooh. I'm sorry, y'all. It sounds good. It's just amazing to me because
I've spent literally, y'all, I've spent hundreds of dollars chasing good quality sound, right? I've got an iRig. I've got so many different products. I've got mixers and so many things. And I'm a little bit disappointed because of the money I've wasted when I could have just had the Synido. What is y'all doing? Y'all finna mess everything. I can't believe this. Listen. And this is for all content creators. If no guitar microphone, listen to the clarity that we're getting. This, I mean, like I said, this is amazing to me. Or let's see what a track sounds like. If we get a track, let me see what kind of track we can pull up. And I just want to hear how music sounds through it. Oh, I love this song. Oh, I love it. I gotta make sure. This is y'all. This is incredible. This is really incredible. Let's see. And it's clear. It can get loud. I can adjust the volume, y'all. I can adjust the volume of the sound coming through. I can adjust the volume that I'm hearing in here. Y'all, this cut everything out. Like, this what you need. I'm telling you, I know there's a lot of people, because you're playing live sometimes in bands and everything, and you'll be going live on your phone, right? You're going live on your phone, and maybe the bass is too heavy and it's messing with your sound quality, or maybe it can't hear you and we hear everything else. This right here is going to solve your problems. This is going to solve your issues. I'm trying to tell you. Oh my goodness. I can't believe this. Y'all, spend this $60. Look, matter of fact, hold on, we'll get to it. Let's see how a track sounds. Oh. Is that clear? I think that's gotta be clear. Oh. Let me play. Ooh. Y'all hear it? And you can mix your sound. Oh. This is like because I get caught up in this. Listen, y'all gotta go look. Y'all gotta go cop this. I'm gonna put the link in the description, okay? I'm gonna put the link in the description. All right. Once y'all buy this, because I know somebody gonna have to get it. Y'all click on the link. Go get this. All right. And look, don't get me wrong. They sent this to me, but they didn't pay me to say nothing. All right. They sent this to me, but they didn't pay me to say nothing. I said all this on my own. I want y'all to go and look, Synido. Y'all go and get this. This is mind blowing to me. I can't believe it. Go and look, this is ooh. Y'all don't know, because sometimes it be guys that be playing. I'll be on Facebook and TikTok, and I hear guys playing, and I'm like, I know that sounds better than what I'm hearing. And it ain't got nothing to do with their playability. Sometimes it's vocals, sometimes it's piano, and I'm like, ugh. Like, I'm kind of picky about sound quality, right? I'm kind of picky about it. So I'm like, this right here, y'all. Go, I'm gonna put a link in the description. I'm gonna even put like a coupon. All right, it's gonna be a coupon or something in there. Y'all make sure y'all use this link. I need the help. Okay, use this link, because here's the other thing. Synido's got some other items, right? They got some other items that I'm interested in. They got a MIDI board, y'all. So I need y'all's help to run this video up, to run these views up. I need y'all's help so I can get that MIDI board. All right, I want them to send me the MIDI board. I'm gonna let y'all know how it works. All right, thank you all so much, man, for joining in, for tuning in. Listen, man, y'all need to go get this. This will bless you. You hear me? This will bless you. I can't believe it can fit in your pocket. You can carry, you got a you got a whole sound booth, basically. Like you got the whole sound team is in your pocket with this device, man. Y'all go try it out. Go check it out, okay? All right, now.